This is going to Manila.
This is going on to the
Maybe
world.
going all over.
This is going to the World Wide Web.
It's a labour of love, this.
Not a biggie, guys.
Okay, that's a free. What? I'm giving you a tip. I'm confused. Tip my boot on the
That's
crack.
hilarious.
That's it, you're just about there. What was your
The
tip
last
going to
thing.
be? Soldier.
What was your tip going to be?
It was actually,
You
what
don't
I
have to show
would
me.
break it down these bits. Just break down
I'm
these
still
bits.
folding, man.
What would you do, Rosie?
Next time I have a dinner party, I go, I'm here.
I think you're there, Kirsty. I would just put
No,
it
there's
in,
big
pour
lump.
it in. Well, just do
I've
that.
got. I'm in no hurry.
No. But the more you work it, the more the air goes out of it.
That could apply to a lot of things.
That's it, Kirsty. Get it in the glasses.
It's still got big lumps of white in it.
I would put it in.
Shut up.
You wouldn't say that to your mummy, would you, Rose?
Yeah.
That was dreadful. Were these wedding
Shut up.
presents, Kirsty?
I bought them on Amazon for my Mexican night.
Right.
I got 12 for £10 or something.
And they're the real crystal.
No.
I thought if you ping them like that, is that
I
right?
think
You tell.
Kirsty, I think they're both crystal.
I don't think there should be enough.
But you don't need a lot.
I'm not going to get a lot.
Because if you're putting fruit and wine, not wine, right, put it in the next one.
Then the one after
Is
that.
Granny bossy, Rosie? It's a good bowl this. See this pampered chef batter bowl.
You've made a mess, look at the glass. Greg would have a fit at that. Maybe get more of the first one.
I will.
That looks lovely.
I will wipe the glasses. I'll glass you in a minute.
That looks good, Kirst. Scrape the bubble.
I'm going to, Mum. I can see. I want this video deleted immediately.
Oh, it's going on YouTube.
I
feel that's not enough.
It's plenty. If they've had all that they've got, that they won't need any more.